Every parent feels the pull of the impressive-sounding club, Model UN, competitive maths, the Duke of Edinburgh Award. But the best after-school activity isn't the most prestigious one. It's the one that matches how your child's brain wants to spend its energy. Each learning genius type recharges on something different, and that's the whole game.
Here's the question most timetables get wrong. The impressive activity asks, will this look good on the UCAS form? A teenager forced into a club that fights their wiring doesn't get enriched, they get depleted, and they bring that flatness home to their schoolwork. The better question is simpler. Will this leave them with more energy than it took? An activity that genuinely fits, builds skills, and recharges the battery.
So how do you actually choose? First, lead with strengths, because that's where motivation and momentum live. Second, watch for the 2 signs of fits. They talk about it unprompted, and it survives a bad day. Third, add just 1 deliberate stretch, never a whole timetable of corrective clubs. And finally, most of the activities should fit, with stretch only on the margins. When every club is remedial, enrichment curdles into a second round of homework.
And the activity and the academics aren't separate projects. They're the same battery. That's why the whole faculty works the way good enrichment does, adapting to your child's learning genius. Professor Pi paces the maths to them. Quill builds the appetite for reading. Mentor sits at the center, coordinating it all, building the appetite for a subject rather than just cramming it.
And just like a well-chosen hobby, learning works best when it matches the day's energy. So mentor checks first. Green means slept well, low stress, push the difficulty. Amber means tired with a heavy week, so keep it short and core only. And red means real pressure or illness. No new content, rest tonight. An activity that fits recharges, it never drains.
Good enrichment and good tutoring do the same thing. They build the appetite for a subject, rather than draining it. A tutor that fits leaves a child with more in the tank, not less. We're now inviting the first 100 founding member families to learning that's built around the child, not against them.
Find your learning genius at aitutors.me.